Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi! My name is Carla and I like everything stationery related. In this video, I'll be unboxing the September stationery box from Your Creative Studio. I have bought this myself and I will give my honest opinion about all the items. I have received this box on September 19th, so at about the third week of September. And I think that this is quite okay, since this box does come from the United States, and also I have to deal with customs when it reaches Sweden. The first two things I grabbed were the stamps. They were both mushroom themed, and I really like the style of them. I mentioned it during the previous unboxing of last month that this might be what makes me use stamps more often. One thing I noticed though, and I am sure this should not happen, was that the sides of these stamps were really sticky. I mean, you can see in the video that I can just basically put my finger on the stamp and it holds. I'm not sure why this happened, but I do know that it was not like this with the previous stamps I got on the last box. Moving on, we have some washi tape. This was also mushroom themed. At this point, I thought that this month box theme was autumn season and mushrooms, but as I revealed more items, I realized that it's more of a nature themed box. Next, we have this little booklet with really cute vintage mushroom illustrations. These are all stickers, by the way. And for someone that didn't really have any autumn/mushroom stationery last year, and I had to just go to Canva and get some illustrations and print them and cut them, I'm really happy that now I have this full collection this year. I then opened more stickers. These are made from a kind of see-through paper material that I really like. This is the first item that is not just mushroom related, but it actually has a lot of nature elements and different animals, as you can see. As a postage stamp collector myself, I really appreciated how these were made to look like postage stamps, and I will definitely enjoy using them and sharing them with my pen pals. We also got some of the super small stickers similar to the ones we got last box. My opinion here remains the same. Although the illustrations are cute, for me these are just too small. I will most likely be including these in all of my pen pal goodies until they are all gone. Because remember, we are still in a no hoarding mission here, and clearing your stash is a good thing. The next item was called Vintage Material Paper Fabric Impression. At first I was a little bit confused, since from the name I was expecting the paper to have some texture related to what I was seeing. And the first pieces of paper did have some texture to it, but it just felt different. And the reason was that, and I'm not sure if it's fully visible in the video, that these first pieces were actually embossed. Some had flower embossings and other had text, so although they were embossed, they did not feel like the material that was printed on them, and that's what confused me. And then the later pieces of paper is just normal, smooth paper with the fabric printed on top. I still think that these could be good to use as background for collages. It is a very interesting concept in itself, and honestly speaking, only time will tell if this is something that I will actually use and include in the things that I do or in my journaling, or if it's something that I will just send to my pen pals instead. The next item are these paper collages that are made to look like they have been teared or burned. I think that the illustrations are really nice, and I like the overall concept. We then have here another mushroom booklet. This one is not sticker paper, but just illustrations in normal paper. I don't think there is much to say about it. Much like the sticker booklet that we've seen before, I really like these illustrations, I like the vintage style, and I'm happy to have more mushroom elements for this autumn crafting. We follow up with some more papers. I will call them collage papers, since that is the feeling I get from them. I really like the combination of all the elements in this. The vintage writing, letters, postcards with nature and botanical elements superimposed. We are almost at the end of this box. We have yet another sentence sticker, very similar to the one we got in the previous box. This one has some nature-related sentences. And we also got another alphabet sticker. If you've seen my previous unboxing, this type of sticker is really not one of my favorites. Honestly speaking, I will likely just pass this along to a pen pal or include it in a future swap or something like this. Finally, the last thing in this box were these square decorative papers. As in the previous stationery box, I really like these ones. There are basically 3 of each type. One sheet is printed in a thicker type of paper, and the other 2 are in a lighter paper. And they have illustrations both at the front and at the back. And these are all the items in the September stationery box from your creative studio. I am quite enjoying receiving these boxes. I think that you get quite a lot of material for what you're paying. I'm honestly not yet sure which ones are my favorite, but it will probably be the stickers that look like the postage stamps, just because I don't have anything like that in my collection and I really like the style, the design, and this kind of see-through paper. Which items did you like the most from this box? As usual, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!